Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So guys, in this day or this beautiful day, I'm not really actually doing like an IT video or maybe video video, but this video I will make you, I will show you some presentation that I'm not like using slide, but I want to give you some explanation about line chart that I get from one of the English book that is really recommended for me that because this is a book it's actually for IELTS too because I learned from this book for learn IELTS also, so it just make me high level for to the next new lesson of IELTS. So actually for this day I wanna give you some presentation that really is not really I mean not really hard for you, but it's just give you some explanation about the graph below. Show the change of food consumption by the Chinese people around 1985 until 2010. So this is the line chart of the consumption of the Chinese people. So there are meat, salt, and fish. So, but we want to talk about the first main feature of this line chart. As you can see, there is the paragraph that I'm already made it for you because it will make it easier for you to understanding what I explained it. Because if I just tell you with this line chart, it's maybe really hard for you to understanding of this the line chart. So the first the first main feature is the line graph that illustrate change in Chinese people consumption around 1985 until 2010. So measuring the average weekly intake per person for fish, meat, and salt. But the first topic that I really want to talk about is about the fish consumption of the Chinese people. So the first, so we can see in here about the fish. So in the 1985. From the 16 gram per week until in 1985, it's to nearly in the 2010 because it's going to up, it's going and it's increased to the 900 gram. So as you can see, it's really highly for the Chinese people consumption about the fish. So it's really so we can take the conclusion that fish is really highly. And we can just next to the second main feature. So the second main feature is about salt. Yes, because the density significantly over the period dropping from approximately 50 grams per week is the in 185 you can see in here in the salt is a 185 is decreased that is just a 50 gram until going to the 2010 is going to 200 grams. So you can see the consumption of Chinese people about salt is really decreased and going to down because I don't know what actually the consumption of Chinese people, but as I know, Chinese people is almost really like it about a pig. I mean a pork. So, but we just not talk about the pork, but we just talk about this line chart about the grams and percent of weight. And then the sharp education indicates a shift toward healthier eating habits. So it's just like a habit for Chinese people for the consumption of the meat, fish, and salt. But especially Chinese people is almost eating fish and salt. So we just next to the, I mean this the side topic. So meanwhile, meat consumption saw a moderate increase from about 100 grams per week in the 1985 to 200 grams in 2010. So we can see in here in the line chart, meat is from 1985 is only 100 grams, and going to the 5 year past is only going to up is just 100 gram. So in total, we just can see it's a 200 gram. So the gradual rise make the line economic growth in growing food preference. This dietary shift highlight involving eating patterns with reduced salt intake and higher emphasis on protein-rich foods. So we can see here that as almost or among Chinese people is eat the fish and always consume the salt. That we can see here meat is only high 100, and then you can see in here and the salt is going to down from 500 in the 1985 going to down into 200, 2010 is going to 300, and then we can see in here a fish that from 600 in the 1985 going to 2010 is going to update from a 600 until a 900. So maybe this is for me about the explanation about the line chart from constitution in China in the 1985 to 2010. So maybe that's all for me. Thank you very much. I'm so sorry if I have a mistake from this explanation. I hope you understand. I hope you are understanding about this explanation. Okay, thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So guys, in this day, or in this beautiful day, or this beautiful morning, I'm not really wanting to give you a hard lesson or a hard presentation, but it's just only I want to explain about the second line chart or the second task line chart. It's not about consumption. Not Chinese people food consumption then from 1985 until 2010, but it's just about the line chart about the money spent book. So if you can see in here, this is one of the summary or one of the line chart that I get it from books also that like before about the food consumption, but we talk about money spent on books on the other country. We can see in here there are 4 countries that we can see is almost from Europe. It's like Germany, France, Italy, and Austria. So we just talk about this. We just talk about these 4 countries that we can see in here. Like example about the Germany, we can see from 1995, we can see that the money spent book that the first is only 80 million in the 1995 is calculated cycle, but followed on 4 over 10 reaching to 95 million by in the 2005. So we can see in here there's too a lot for Germany that money for spend a book. So we can see that Germany people really like spend money just for a book. We can see is general book like novel, like entertainment book, like self-improvement book, and the other book. And this is I put it the first main feature in the second paragraph. And the second main feature we talk about Austria. We can see in here that from 1995 that Austria is only that 13 million going to up is too high, is going to 75 million, that from 1995 going to 2005. So we can see in here that Austria is going to high than Germany. Germany is only going to high is 15 million, but in the Austria we can see in here that is going to up that from 60 million going to 70 million. So we can see in here that in the Austria going to update from 2001 going to going to 2005. And we can see in here in the France that it's just only the slight main feature that I will put here, that the France is almost same like Austria, but in the France we can see here that from 55 million going to 75 million. So we can see from the 55 million going to 75 million. And we can see in the Italia also that from 55 million going 50 million going to 75 million. So we can see in here that uh, Austria is the most high for the line chart in here because he's from 30 million going to 70 million. It's almost uh, 40 million that from 1995 until 2005. So we can see that there are many a lot of people in Austria that buy a book. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you very much for listening. But before that, before I want to close it, this line chart. I hope for this line chart you can take a many benefit in here. You can take many things in here because we can learn about how to make from this line chart we can make into the four paragraph, and I count it is only 164 word, and then I hope I just want to make this paragraph is only for make it you easier than you just see in the line chart, because I hope you more understanding about this line chart. So I make it this paragraph for you. Okay, maybe that's all for me. I'm really sorry if I have messed up for my word or anything else. That's what I say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.